Awkward smiles, shaking eyes, meaningless comments like, yeah, nice weather. It isn't easy making people laugh, is it? In contrast, some people seem to become the life of the party effortlessly. You look forward to this day, thinking of all kinds of funny stories, but it looks like no one's going to listen. Why are you always so awkward? If you're stuck with this problem, this video will help you a lot. Stay with me. Let's cut to the chase. Everything you do to stop being awkward will only drive people away. The thought that you have to stop being awkward is the reason why you get nervous when there are pauses in conversation. People on the media are always confident, calm, and cool. They make you want to be the main character in real life. To break this agonizing chain, first, get rid of the thought that you need to stop being awkward when you feel comfortable in an awkward situation. In other words, when you're not struggling to break the ice, is your first step towards making comfortable relationships. Don't bring up jokes and exciting stories before you're ready to make conversation. Discard whatever you think conversations and relationships should be like, and start being open to the way they naturally flow. No conversation or relationship is always full of goodness. Sometimes people will bring up stuff you don't want to talk about or give you negative feedback. Some people won't acknowledge your efforts no matter how hard you try. You need to practice expanding your range of comfort. Stop thinking, I'm going to be acknowledged by everyone, and start thinking, I'm not going to be anxious when people don't acknowledge me. This change of direction is important. If you stick with the first thought, you're never going to be satisfied. You'll be left endlessly thirsty for more acknowledgement. In fact, thinking, why am I so awkward, is proof that you're too sensitive about being awkward. Anyone can be awkward. You say things that aren't funny, and sometimes you aren't fun to be with. Don't blame yourself because it's not your fault. Be comfortable in your own skin. And I hope you don't forget it. That's all I have to say for today. We'll be grateful if you subscribed.